forget everything you thought you knew about the Porsche 911. Because the new Carrera 4S just landed. And it's not here to play nice. Porsche has officially gone off the rails, in the best possible way. They've added yet another flavor to the already insane 911 lineup. But this one? This is the Carrera 4S. All-wheel drive, 473 horsepower of surgical precision, and absolutely no manual transmission in sight. Yeah, you heard that right. The stick shift? Gone. But before you grab your pitchforks, Porsche wants you to know, this isn't a downgrade. This is a full-blown, turbocharged, mind-melting upgrade. Under the hood, you get a 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six that spits out 473 horsepower, up 30 ponies from the previous version. Thanks to the intercooler ripped straight from the 911 Turbo, this beast will rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. That's not quick, that's warp speed. Top speed? A ridiculous 191 miles per hour. The Cabriolet only needs 0.2 of a second more to hit 60. And the Targa? It's the smooth criminal of the bunch. Stealthy, stylish, and still stupidly fast. And let's talk grip. This 4S brings all-wheel drive to the table, but not just any AWD. It's rear-biased, meaning it still feels like a proper 911 should. But when the road gets nasty, Porsche traction management kicks in like a guardian angel with 4 wheels. It's smart, it's fast, it's terrifyingly capable. Now, manual purists, take a deep breath. Yes, there's no stick. But Porsche didn't just ditch the manual for nothing. You get an 8-speed dual-clutch PDK that shifts faster than your brain can process. Want a manual? You'll need to settle for a slower, cheaper Carrera T, or sell your organs for a GT3. But wait, it doesn't stop at speed. The new Carrera 4S gets standard 20-21-inch staggered wheels, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, a sports exhaust, and brakes so strong they might bend time. Inside, you'll find wireless charging, lane departure warning, matrix LED headlights, and leather everywhere. It's fancy, it's fast, and it'll cost you a lot. Official prices aren't out yet, but expect the Coupe to start around $150,000. And that's before Porsche hits you with the option list of doom. So, what is the Carrera 4S? It's not just another Porsche, it's the apex predator of all-season sports cars. It doesn't beg for your attention, it demands it. In coupe, cabriolet, or Targa form. No manual? No problem. This thing will crush your expectations, your ego, and the track, all in under 3.5 seconds. Welcome to the future of the 911. Now buckle up and pray you're worthy.